Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the front screen display on your GoPro Hero 12 Black. Okay, after you already turn on your GoPro, and now just scroll down like this. Okay, and here is the front screen setting adjustment. You can just press on it, and then you can now adjust it. Okay, and if you just want to turn it off, just select this one, and now you will see the screen is off. And then when you get back to the video record mode, and the screen is off, and now let's do it again. If you select this one, is the status only, and now here you are on the dashboard, and when you go to the video mode, and let's see, and now it show up the video record. For example, now I press record and it will show the time on the front screen. Okay, and it's count one video and second one, and this already have two video on this GoPro. And you can also select it to the actual screen, or this one is the full screen. For example, now on the dashboard and video mode, full screen, it's full view to your GoPro, and mostly I like this one, the actual screen, that it show what it show on the back screen, it will show up on the front screen like this. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can turn off the GoPro Hero 12 Black front screen display. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.